Hey guys, Troy here at Troy's Toys. Hey, it's time for an M2 update. We got a bunch of it in a couple weeks ago, and I never did a video on it. We've been meaning to do it. I have Catherine here today, so here we go. We got in anything from haulers to Coca-Cola haulers, Coca-Cola series. We got ground pounders, drivers, got cool Mooneyes Hobby Edition 55 Chevy. That is the bomb. And while we're on hobby, check this one out. Nice Camaro. Black and yellow paint scheme. Screaming speed right there. Mooneyes again. Couple 69 Camaros on the auto lift. Mooneyes are always popular, and they do very well. While we're on Mooneyes, check out the mini combo here, the combi.
Oh, so cute.
So that's some of the Mooneyes stuff. Coca-Cola, if you like gassers, we've got gassers.
Oh, that is just too cool.
That's bad. All right, and then everybody been waiting for this Bronco casting from M2. It's got the snowplow on the front. Check that out. They did a great job on this casting. Good looking Bronco. So, and they continue on with their haulers, and we were talking about gassers a second ago. We got nice gasser there. And I really like this one here. Catherine pointed this one out earlier.
Oh, that is so cool.
Just a beautiful color scheme to it. Just really good looking set. And then we've got you truck people. Nice Ford pickup set on an auto lift. Those have been selling like hotcakes. Really sharp. I really like this one. It's really classic looking. The Ford dry van with the little 56 Ford pickup behind it. Just really cool looking. Has that classic look for Coca-Cola. Great set. And we're back with the wheel kits that they were doing. 3 different models there. And Mustang, we got a GTO and then a Charger. Really good looking trio. And they come with different sets of wheels in there and a little screwdriver to take the car apart, put the new wheels on. Been a while since M2's done that. Good to see them back. And then model kits galore. We've got them all. I mean, here's another little mini Volkswagen, and then this casting does real well. It's a ground pounder casting for the 54 Chevy pickup. Those are always really popular. And last, I mean, we keep going through, but your typical drivers series, they've been doing a lot of different custom graphics on them. This one in particular, this is unique. Let's put these down. Spam. Very cool looking, interesting subject matter.
Anybody from Hawaii would love that.
Yeah, absolutely. Spam is the king in Hawaii. And then nice Hearst Edition GTO. That's been really hot. So that kind of gives you a summary of what we got in anyway. I I really love the stuff M2's doing. We've had a great relationship with them over the years, and look forward to more. There's more coming very soon, so check this out online right now. This is all available online and in my retail store here in Overland Park. So until next time, cheers, and we'll see you later.